notice we've all had this kind of car? Kind of makes me wish I could take a helicopter to work. That way I could avoid all of that construction. Beep, beep, beep. You guys have been awesome. I'm Stephen Foley. Good night.
Stephen Magic Mouth Foley, the head of our agency, would like to speak with you.
I'm already with Willie Morris.
It's not that kind of agency.
This two-time gold medal gymnast was kidnapped by Colombian drug lords. That's where you come in.
Look, I'm a comedian that makes realistic sounds with his mouth. I'm not a secret agent.
This isn't an offer. It's an order.
Man, you ought to be honored to serve your country. I worked all my life to be an agent. Just to get stuck babysitting some guy who makes fart sounds? Bang, bang. Oh, hold on. Bang, bang, bang. Hello? Uh-oh. Incoming!
They're not fart noises. They're incredibly realistic sounds. Now get back in the car. We've got an innocent girl to rescue.
And the damn place is crawling with drug lords. They got every entrance sealed.
Except for their ears.
Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. Idiot! The hostage is in there. And those doors are bulletproof.
Too bad they're not soundproof.
Stay out! Or we'll kill the hostage! Wait. Do you hear that? There's a bear out there! Snakes! The snakes must have killed the bear! It's the only way out.
It's over.
What'd you do?
Something I swore I'd never do again.
Good work, Foley. You can bet we'll be checking on you from time to time.
Maybe you should check your pants.
I don't understand what you mean. Oh my god, it sounds like I just...